Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be recapping my trade that I went over today that literally made me pass my funded account. So honestly, I'm so stoked. I actually just made a video about actually going through the activation fee, paying everything, like getting everything set up for the going from the combine to the express. So if you're interested in that, just kind of see the process of what happens when you actually finish the combine, I'll link it in the description below. But moving forward, this is the trade that I actually took today. So I had the buy side SMT with the inversion for value gap. Same with ES and NAS. Let me just clear up the chart so I can kind of bring you through, kind of give you like my idea of what was going through my mind. So first of all, we had on NASDAQ, we had the buy side liquidity right up here. So that was very nice. I was already quite intrigued by that. I was like, okay, that's looking very beautiful. Like we might have the same thing on ES, which we did. So this was already really nice to see. Not only that, we also had a SMT with NAS and ES as well, which if you guys don't know already, that's like my godly proven strategy. I love when I see buy side getting taken or sell side with an SMT or pairing it with also a inversion for value gap, which we had right over here. So putting these all together, this was just beautiful. It was a no-brainer to take. Like, why would you not want to take this trade, right? But actually, I didn't take it right at this break. A lot of people would like, especially me, I would have took it right at this break, but I wasn't feeling it 100% right there yet. So what I did was I actually waited for this to break before I actually enter the trade. Once I saw this inversion to break, because as well over here, we also do have another SMT, we can just extend it a bit more. And we have that SMT with the buy side on ES and NAS. So the second I saw this get broken, I automatically took my standard deviation from the highs to the break of the inversion, because that's where my entry is always. And I targeted that -1 more -2. And this was honestly such a beautiful trade. I like you couldn't ask for anything more. Stop loss went right above the SMT high, and partials were at this -1 standard deviation. Full profits were right at that -2, which it didn't actually top 100%. So I'm very happy and very lucky. I was actually looking at the charts, and the second I saw that this was pulling up right away from touching this sell side also below, I knew right away that we might not actually touch this -2, so I just executed it manually and got out. So I am very happy that I saw that. And because of that, like precise execution, I was able to pass the funded account. So I am honestly very stoked. This was a very beautiful trade. A little choppy in the market, I do have to agree, because NAS and ES didn't really correspond that well, which honestly recently they haven't been doing so, which kind of freaking me out. But at the end of the day, I was still able to pull through. It was still a beautiful trade, and at the end of the day, I'd still pass the funded account. So nothing, I can't say anything more. I'm extremely happy, extremely stoked, and I really hope you guys like this trade recap. I'll be bringing much more to the channel, kind of just still getting used to the like YouTube format, like making videos and so forth, but kind of getting ideas slowly trickling by. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, support the family, I really do appreciate you guys coming every day to watch the videos, and it means a lot. So hope you have an amazing day.